How to design and fill out your Exponaut exhibitor booth. Welcome to Exponaut. We're thrilled to have you on board. Let's jump right in and get your exhibitor booth up and running. Visit portal.exponaut.me to log in and start filling out or modifying your exhibitor booth. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Click on your company's name to begin editing your profile. Select Edit to initiate the process of updating your company's details. Step 1. Adding company information. Company information is one of the main information a visitor reads in the exhibition booth. A well-written exhibition booth can also give your company a boost in terms of search engine optimization. In your editor, the first field is company name. Then you proceed to adding company logo, preferably a PNG file. You also need to add company legal name, country, and company address, which is used for the contact section on your company's profile page. Then you may proceed to adding company website, general email, and phone number. Note that the contact person's phone number fields are not mandatory. Add company one-liner or a slogan, up to 20 words. To further introduce your company, add company overview and additional information. Then, year of establishment, annual revenue, number of employees. You can add up to 3 videos to give an overview of your company using YouTube or Vimeo links. Step 2. Adding sales representatives and highlighting company's social media channels. You have the option to add up to 2 company representatives under your exhibition booth. Enter the contact person's name, email address, position, and upload their profile photo. For your company's social media channels to reach further engagement, add links, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Step 3. Adding a custom call to action button. A custom call to action button can ask people to visit a certain company channel, sign up, or anything else you would prefer on your virtual booth. Add button text, preferably up to 2 words, and an URL where the button takes the visitor. Step 4. View your exhibitor booth. If you have filled out your exhibitor booth, we advise to review it to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button. To view your booth, click View Exhibitor Booth from the top of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully registered for the event and set up your captivating virtual booth on Exponaut. We wish you all the best as you showcase your company's offerings to the audience. Thank you for joining us.